I flicked it all over. I was trying to get the last little bit, scrape it out. It flicked all over my tripod and all on the cabinet. Let me get it. Good morning, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. I'm coming to you because this is going to be a video on my first time using Aztec clay. Never used it before. My daughter's been using it, love it. And I've been getting some friends popping up. And from, you know, the hairs that you gotta pull and squeezing and stuff, yeah. I wanna see if it clears that up, clears up the acne and clears up the little dark spots that I do have in certain spaces on my face. So this is the first time using it. Let's get into how I'm gonna be mixing it and what I'm gonna be using and see how this works for me. First time, let's see. Okay, so for the first time use, I wanna go with what most people are using that have used this and are experienced with using it. So I have some Bragg's organic raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. I have the Aztec clay, which I purchased from Walmart, and it was like $9.98, which is a great deal because I'm seeing people getting it for $14. I think that is absolutely ridiculous when you can get it from Walmart for $9.98. Then my daughter gave me this little mask spreader thingy here. So I have that. It says not to use metal, so I won't try to get it too close up to the top. I'll try to keep it down there. And it's like a silicone little thingy to apply mask to your face. Then I have a plastic container that is from Dollar Tree, nothing special. I do know that I've seen a couple reviews where they say that you can make enough and keep it in the fridge and it'll last a couple days, but I don't want to do this too many times a week, maybe once a week, and see how that works for me, and then kind of like break it down if need be, or do it a little bit more if need be. So let's get into how I'm going to mix this. Gotta open it first, huh? Okay. Ooh. Okay. It's kind of all over. So I'm gonna use this little thing to put some in this little jar. Think about, I'll just do 3 scoops. I think that's more than enough for the face. That looks about like a good tablespoon if I had to actually measure it. And then we're going to use the cap, and I have the big bottle of vinegar. Let me kind of mix this up because I haven't used this in a little bit. All right, I'm gonna use the cap. This stuff is all over. I guess you can't shake it or whatever. And it foams up. It's literally foaming up. Did y'all see that? It's foaming up. Put a little bit more. I don't want to get it too watery. I want it nice and thick. Okay, so I need some more vinegar because it's still kind of clumpy, as you can see. So let me see. Maybe I can just pour. I just don't want to overdo it. Let's see. I want it to be mass consistency and not, you know, watery. Almost. Okay. A little bit more. There. Hope that wasn't too much. Let's see. Yeah, a little too much, so I guess I will add just a little bit of well, I guess not. Let's see, what y'all think? Maybe a tad bit more clay. And again, I guess we shall see. I'm gonna just leave it like this. Still kind of thick. All right, let's head to my face. Messy mess. Oh gosh. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. I stirred it up even more. And so I guess let's just apply it to our face. I had to put that back in. I had a call. Not a call, but something I need to listen to. So I'm gonna go in and just apply. It didn't say you had to wash your face first. I guess this cleanses your face. I don't know. So I'm gonna go in and just put it all over my face with this first time. You know, with things like this, you use it the way they say, and then, you know, if you know your body, you know your skin and what your skin likes, you start to add to it and do your own thing. So I'm not gonna bore you. I'm gonna speed this part up. I love doing my routines late at night or early in the morning. Like it is like 6 something. I have done my meditating and stuff. And it's like the house is quiet. Nobody's going to bother me. I, for video purpose, didn't cut my music on, but I usually listen to some nice smooth jazz. And it just makes me relax. It makes me prepare myself for today. Me and my little one are going out to dinner, to the movies, and going to buy this perfume she wanted so bad. So yeah, it's going to be a great day, and I have a great start to my great day. So yeah. Okay, so it's on, and it says for sensitive skin, 5 to 10 minutes, and for delicate skin, 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. So you remove clay by washing with warm water. So I'm gonna let this sit. I got some other things to do in here before I prepare to get in the shower. Before I prepare to get in the shower. Yeah. I flicked it all over. I was trying to get the last little bit, scrape it out. It flicked all over my tripod and all on the cabinet. I had to come and say this. Now, when applying a mask, I notice a lot of people don't bother their neck. Technically, you're supposed to do the neck and up. And you're supposed to kind of go down here into the chest area. Most people don't do that. When applying this mask, make sure that you also not get too close to your eyes, because that's where your skin is sensitive and more thinner. So stay away from those areas. Do not get it in your eyes, like right under. Don't try to get close up there. Use something else for that. This mask is not for that. So yeah, and try to get your neck, because that all matters. You ever see somebody and their face might look good, but their neck is either darker or whatever the case may be? We don't want that. So I'm gonna let this sit, come back and tell you how it feels. I feel it tightening, like right around here. I already feel it tightening. I'm going to clean this out, get my other stuff that I need done before I get in the shower, because I'm gonna wash mine off in the shower. And yeah, I'll try to get footage and get all that. All right, be back. It's getting really tight. It's been about 6 minutes. I'm gonna keep this on for 15. I had to put my shower cap on. So the reason I'm doing it in the shower, because they say that it crumbles and it's a lot of like pieces and stuff like that. Some people have to put like strainers down. In my shower, I feel I don't have to deal with that. I can let it kind of go down the drain like the shower, and then I'll take my this here right there and just rinse off whatever might get around the shower. So that's why I'm doing mine in the shower. So let's go. I believe doing it in the shower is so much better. As I begin to rub it off, it did come off really easily. I recommend in the shower, especially if you're doing your neck as well. That's so thick. And I'm washing it with warm water. I try not to take baths with hot water. It dries out your skin. It's not really good for you. So most of it off. I'm using I need to get me another bath mirror. I don't know what happened to my bath mirror. Can't see if it's off. Only time I really get acne is when Tom is on his way, which is the time of the month. So yeah. Alright, it's all off. I'll be back when I get out. Yeah, these are all the little pieces on my gray mat, all on the shower and stuff. But yeah, they can definitely be pushed out. So after you apply the mask, make sure you wash your face with some form of soap of your choice. And then I'll tell you the next step once I get out. But I'm washing my face now. All right, so I'm out. It feels good. I think I got it all off. I washed it off. gonna go in with some of my facial toner, my natural facial toner. That is one of my products that I created. So I'm gonna go in with that first, which is what I do when I wash my face. And it has tea tree, rosemary, different great things in here for the face, along with other products. So I'm gonna go in, kind of make sure I'm getting any residue or anything off my face. And then I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer. And I always make sure, I usually go up, but we're gonna see how this cotton pad look from that. Always kind of wipe up with your toners and stuff like that. Not bad. Not bad. It's like bright. Hold on. Dim it a little bit. Okay. Yeah. All right. So that's that. I'm trying to think I should have cut. No, I'll probably cut my hair another time. So now I'm going with my oil for my face, which is my product as well. And I'm gonna pat that in. Get a little bit of that to put on my face. And oh, excuse me. All right, and my neck. And what I like to do is kind of like just pat it in. You don't want to do too much rubbing. So go in, because your pores are ready for this. And I pat it, and then later I might rub it. I let my skin take in what it wants to take in. Make sure to get that neck, guys. That neck, you want that to look youthful and nice as well. So I'll go in and pat, 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 pat. The rest of it, I can utilize it on my body, no biggie. So that was me using the Aztec clay for the first time. I'm gonna try to use it once a week, and I'm gonna see how it does. Did my face feel a little tingly after? It did feel tingly. Not bad, just a little tingle. My face, I can say, is not as sensitive as other parts of my body. But yeah, you want to definitely, this is like the best way to put moisturizer in your face, is to nicely massage and press it in. You won't want to do that. That creates wrinkles. So yeah, nicely massage it in like that. Yeah, get that good stuff in your face. And yeah, so that was me using Aztec clay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you join the family by hitting that subscribe button. Always say bell. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And if you have anything, leave it in the comments below. And with that being said, I will see you guys later, Gators.